Kung isa ka sa mga nawalan ng trabaho nung kasagsagan ng pandemic and became an online English tutor, don't take it as a demotion. Take it as a new season in your life. Kung halimbawa naman, diba, housewife ka, tapos nagpa-part-time ka as English tutor, be glad that you can perform your role as a mom and a wife and earn at the same time. Kung halimbawa naman, isa kang college student na nagtuturo on the side, congratulate yourself kasi mahirap gawin yan. Now, if ikaw yung newly grad na hindi pa nakakahanap ng work sa field na tinapos mo, magturo ka muna. Who knows, baka mas malaki pang kitain mo sa pag-tutor. Kung halimbawa naman, ikaw yung English tutor na ilang dekada na nagtuturo, be proud. Ako, I'm pretty sure that, our students are grateful for what they have become because of us. English tutor ka lang? Hindi. English tutor ka.